Preparada con las botas. So every time I cross right here, a veces los carros no quieren parar, and I swear one of these days, I mean, I shouldn't even say this, but I know one of these days me van a pegar. Me van a pegar. Flight 188 service to New York. All exits are marked with red and white sign. In a dark cabin, floor-level lighting will mark the route to the exits. In an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. Take a moment to look around and locate your nearest exit. It may be behind you. McDonald's snack. Avena con platanito. Here at the airport in between flights. It is currently, I think, como las 8:30. My next flight is at, yeah, it's 8:40. My next flight is at 10:10 to Sacramento. So I'm trying to decide whether to buy food or not. We land pretty late, so at midnight. So this is pretty much my only opportunity to buy food. Si quiero comer. I'm gonna walk to the gate right now and figure that out. But we are laying over tonight in Sacramento. Ya todo se ve cerrado. Just got on the plane. I am the first one here. This is our flight to Sacramento. Oh my god. Me estaba muriendo de sed. Alright, I'm gonna do my pre-departure checks really quick. And I will see you guys in SAC because this is gonna be a quick flight. Ya lo sé. So, I know I'm not really gonna have time to vlog anything. But I'll see you guys at the Layover Hotel.
No pares, sigue caminando.
Ya llegamos al hotel. I am so tired. There's no better feeling cuando te quitas I don't choke myself. Cuando te quitas la bufanda. Oh my god, and these boots. So we're now in Sacramento. Aquí estamos por casi como 18 horas, 18 hours. And you guys, our passengers on this flight were so nice. Usually the crowd I noticed is pretty nice, or the Texas crowds, because it's that southern hospitality. Una de las señoras con quien yo estoy trabajando, she's just a little much. And so I just was like, oh my god, I'm receiving all this great positive vibes from the whole cabin. And I felt like that just made up for what was going on. But yeah, so we are here. I'm actually so exhausted. I am going to quickly wash my face and go to sleep, and I'll catch you guys up tomorrow. Good night. Breakfast in bed this morning. Ready with coffee. Alright, you guys, I am in between flights. We are headed to Phoenix tonight. Y ya me dijeron that flight is a drinking flight. So, trying to mentally prepare for that. But right now I am on my way to get some comidita because I did not have time to get anything when I was in Sacramento. So, I'm gonna get Qdoba. So that's what I have for late dinner. So I ran into some of my friends ahorita. They were actually working the flight back to San Francisco, so I was able to see them and say hi. But out of breath, so I'll catch you guys up later. I'm gonna get my food right now. I just found a little bit of a secluded area, a small bite to eat of my food. I got Dr. Pepper, and I don't know if I'm gonna regret it later. I remember one time, I didn't know, maybe because I never really consumed soda. Cuando estaba chiquita, my mom didn't let us drink soda, so por eso no estoy acostumbrada a tomar soda. So anyways, I remember one time when I was in New York, I got soda and a slice of pizza, and I couldn't sleep at all that night because I didn't know that soda had so much caffeine. I don't know if I'm gonna regret this Dr. Pepper, but our flight leaves in about another hour, and we don't land in Phoenix until almost midnight, so I think I'm just gonna be able to burn it off during the flight. Pero ahorita voy a tratar de comer un poquito, and then I'm gonna walk over to the gate. I literally only have about 10 minutes in between to quickly eat a little bit, so I'll see you guys later. Currently in Arizona on a layover. Son las 10 de la mañana, that's why I feel like I always sound a little groggy cuando me despierto. But anyways, our van is at 125. Our hotel in this area is right by a whole bunch of little shopping. There is a Trader Joe's and a Whole Foods, and then there's Nordstrom Rack. There is a place called Last Chance, which I went to one other time before, but no encontré like too much. I think the concept of it is it's like your last chance to buy it. So it's like super discounted. So you're getting it at bargain prices, and apparently sometimes you can find designer stuff there. I am just wearing my little gym outfit. I got this from Amazon. Alright, ya regresé. Les voy a enseñar rapidito because I'm running late. What I bought, which wasn't much. I just bought a few pair of leggings. This one is by the brand Fourth Reckless, and they're just a brown legging, but you can tell that they're really good quality. I also bought black ones. These are actually from Naked Wardrobe. Black solid leggings, good quality. I bought this little blouse from BP brand. This was only $5. I thought this was so cute. And then the last thing I bought were these boots, you guys. Oh my god, I actually saw these in Vegas. These are from yeah, these are Steve Madden. So I saw these in Vegas when I went. Vegas? No, I didn't see them in Vegas. Where did I see them? I saw them somewhere and I was obsessed, but I found them there and they were 20 bucks and they were my size. Okay, and then I stopped at Whole Foods. I got a cardamom iced latte. You guys, I think it was a cardamom rose latte last Valentine's. They had a seasonal coffee and it was delicioso. So I think they had a pumpkin one, but I was like, when I saw the cardamom, it doesn't have the rose, but the cardamom, it's a very unique taste and I like it. Yeah, ahorita me voy a cambiar and I'll see you guys later. You guys, this is my favorite boarding song. We have made it to Spokane, Washington. You guys, I met a subscriber today at the Seattle airport. He actually works for my airline now, but he came up to me and he said hi and that he watches all of my videos, and I just thought it was so sweet. I am kind of shy in person, so if you guys ever see me around, I might be a little awkward. But yeah, he was so sweet and so nice. Les voy a enseñar my little pins on my lanyard. So this pin my sister bought when we went to Disney a few weeks ago, and they went to the D23 convention, which is kind of like a anime con or Comic Con, but for Disney. Super cute. They're like Mickey wings. I have this pin, which I bought from the flight attendant store in Seattle airport, and it just says we all have our baggage. The little flight attendant in an airplane. And then our One World pin for work. But yeah, acabo de llegar to Layover here. Our van tomorrow is at 4:50 in the morning, so super early van tomorrow. I wanted to take a nap just because today we also had a pretty early report. Pero I think just so I get enough sleep tonight and I don't have trouble falling asleep, I'm just gonna power through it. Tengo comida that I think I'm going to heat up, eat, go to the gym, work out, and then go look for some early dinner. Alright, gym time, and it's so funny because hotel is very animal señor. And I, of course, am wearing animal print to match. Hi guys, ahorita me encuentran en mi carrito. I am on my way to San Francisco to see the Blue Angels, which is the air show that they do here in San Francisco. And I'm super excited because I've never gone. Me invitaron and I'm going, and we're actually going on a boat. Excited. We're doing the JFK red eye tonight. We're actually laying over at a new hotel, so I'm pretty excited about that as well. Currently at Trader Joe's comprando comidita for my red-eye flights. That's what I have so far.
Ella es la sensación del rocker, nena. Una morena latina está fina cuando ella camina su cuerpo. No sé.
I just got to the airport. Actually, I ended up taking a little nap in my car. It is 9:40 in the evening, so I'm gonna walk to the airport. I think we have free coffee in our crew lounge, so I think I'm gonna get a cup of coffee and just head to the gate a little early. Alright, so I came down to our little village where they sell all these snacks and stuff, pero también tenemos this little coffee station, and that's what I'm gonna get right now. Put myself a little coffee for our red-eye flight 10:30 report, and the flight departs at 11:30. So, ahorita me voy a preparar mi cafecito. Let's do double. So we just got to the hotel. It is 9 in the morning, and I actually have been at this hotel before. I think they switched our hotels last minute yesterday, but quick little room tour. It is one of our newer hotels we stay at here in New York, and it's nice because it comes with pantuflitas and a robe, which I'm gonna be throwing that on in just a minute. I got one big bed. I can't even talk anymore. Full body mirror. And this little mini living room. Pero yes, I got a tour, and I am ready to take off all my makeup. I'll wash my face. Have a good night. Alright, a ver si me pueden ver. I just wanted to quickly end the vlog. I had such an amazing trip this time. I had, like, besides one lady and one of my crews, I had the most amazing crew members, passengers, everything. Everything was absolutely amazing. So the girl I worked with my first flight, I introduced myself, blah blah blah. We were doing service, and she was looking at me and she said, "You seem very familiar, like I know you." I was like, "I'm pretty sure we haven't worked together." And then she asked me, "Do you do YouTube videos?" And I said, "Yeah, I do." And she was like, "Applied to the airlines. I watched your videos." I was so flattered. I was like, "Oh my god, that's so sweet." And what a small world. And this is now, I think, like the fourth or fifth person that has come up to me to say hi, and that they watch my videos and that they enjoy them. I'm trying to keep this little light on here so you guys can see me. I just got really, really good vibes this whole entire trip. Such amazing people, and that just makes work better and happier. What makes work feel worth it, you know? I feel like the job, I mean, I show you guys on my channel the bad things that happen and how it's not always, you know, rainbows and butterflies. Pero también there's excitement, and there's fun layovers, and there's fun stuff like that. But I think what a lot of people don't realize is the amount of time that we are away from our families. So when you actually experience these positive and happy interactions with people, you feel like it is worth it. Aunque you're miles and miles away from home, and in a year you spend a ridiculous amount of time away from home. I don't know, like, it makes me feel a little fulfilled that I'm doing my part in helping these people reach their destinations, whether they're celebrating something or on a vacation or visiting a family member, someone who's sick. You know, you never know. This trip, it has just been absolutely incredible, and so I've been like chomping my chicle. Oh, you can see the plane. And then the crew I just ended the trip with, one of the girls' husband picked her up with their little dog in the car. That just made my heart melt, because I feel like at the end of the day, we have our own families and our own struggles and our own, you know, little worlds outside of aviation. How much we, como se dice, like how much sacrifice goes into this job. This is definitely a wonderful job that opens so many doors, pero sí hay sacrificio, and this trip was just amazing, and I'm just estoy muy contenta. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for following along. Si les gustó el video, don't forget to give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I am about to drive home.